Experience comfortable living at 4320 East 30th Street. The kitchen is fully equipped with a stove and refrigerator, making meal prep easy and convenient. Enjoy year-round comfort with central air conditioning and baseboard heating, and take advantage of the off-street parking for added convenience. A charming 3-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom home featuring 1,152 square feet of thoughtfully designed space in Indianapolis. Dog-friendly and tenant-responsible utilities make this an ideal spot for anyone seeking a welcoming and practical home. Perfectly situated near Washington Park and the Ain-Lak Temple, this home offers access to both recreational and cultural attractions, with shopping, dining, and local amenities just minutes away.